Question number 6. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, ABC is an isosceles triangle where AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Now, BA is produced to D. BA is produced to D. BA को D तक बढ़ा दिया गया है such that AD is equal to AB. AD is equal to AB. It means AB, AC and AD, all the three sides are equal. Now show that angle BCD, B to C and C to it's D. Suppose D is here. B to C and C to D is a right angle. It's a very simple question, so let's start. Answer. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. ABC is equal to ACB. Okay. So now let angle ABC is equal to angle ACB is equal to X. Say X. Say this angle X and this angle is also X. Again, in triangle, about this triangle ACD AC is equal to AD, where therefore angle ACD, so angle ACD is equal to angle ADC. ADC. We have to write the reason. It is angles equal to the opposite sides are equal. Angles equal to the opposite sides are equal. Same reason will be here. Angles equal to the opposite sides are equal. Okay. Now, in this case also we can let angle ACD is equal to angle ADC. Is equal to Y. Now we are letting it Y and this is also Y. Got it? Next, in triangle BCD, means this triangle B to C, C to D, the big triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, angle BCD is equal to X plus Y. Angle BCD means this angle. This angle means X plus Y. Now, angle BBC plus angle BCD plus angle BDC is equal to 180 degree. Why it is 100 degree? It is angle sum property. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle sum property. Next, DBC. DBC, we let it DBC. This side is X plus BCD. BCD is X plus Y plus BDC. BDC, it is Y, very simple, is equal to 180 degree. Now x plus x, 2x, y plus y, 2y can be written as 2 into x plus y, means 2x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now 2 x plus y can be written as angle BCD, 180 degree. अभी क्या होगा, BCD is equal to 180 degree divided by 2. 2 1 जा 2, 2 9 जा 18, 0 0 का degree, so it will be 90 degree. Angle BCD is equal to 90 degree, and we have to show that the BCD is a right angle. Right angle means 90 degree, so just simply write here right angle. Right angle showed. हमें जो दिखाना था वो हमने दिखा दिया. इसी के साथ होते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का सॉल्व. चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 पे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है हमारे सामने. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में क्या दिया गया है देखते हैं. ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A is 90 degree. So let's draw a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle. Suppose this is a right angle triangle. Right angle at this angle. Now ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A 90 degree. So the 90 degree angle. This is 90 degree angle and it will be A. क्वेश्चन पढ़ के जैसे लिखा है वैसे ही आपको बनाना है. First read the question and follow the instructions. And AB is equal to AC. ये तो हो गया. ये AB is equal to AC. So A, if it is A, it will be B, it will be C. AB is equal to AC. Where is AB? A to B. AB is equal to AC. This side and this side are equal. Now find out angle B and angle C. Angle B और angle C हमें find करना है. This question is very important and very simple. So let's start. Let's start. Angle, so given that AB is equal to AC, it is given. Okay. Therefore, in conclusion, angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle C. Why? Because angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. अगर ये दो साइड इक्वल होगा तो इस साइड के ऑपोजिट में जो एंगल बनेगा, इस साइड के ऑपोजिट में जो एंगल बनेगा, वो दोनों भी क्या होंगे? इक्वल होंगे. एंगल्स ऑपोजिट टू इक्वल साइड्स आर इक्वल. एंगल्स ऑपोजिट टू इक्वल साइड्स आर इक्वल. नाउ angle A, it is 90 degree. We have to find out angle B and angle C. Very simple. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is called angle sum property. Angle sum property. Okay. Now angle A is given. We are given that angle A is 90 degree. We are given that angle A is 90 degree. So putting the value of angle at 90 degree. Now angle B is equal to angle C. It's given here angle B is equal to angle C. So simply we are writing angle B, and in the place of angle C, we are again writing angle B. It can be written because angle B is equal to angle C. It will be 180 degree. Now two angle B's are there, so angle 2B is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Two angle B is equal to 90 degree. So angle B, 2 is multiplied with angle B. So if it changes its size, it will be divided. 90 degree divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 1. Carries 1, 10, 2 5s are 10, 45, 45 degree. Angle B is equal to 45 degree. And since angle B is equal to angle C, if angle B is 45 degree, angle C will be 45 degree. We have to show it angle B and angle C, and we have obtained angle B and angle C. इसी के साथ होते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 का सॉल्व। तो आगे बढ़ते हैं, मतलब चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 पे। लेकिन अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो उसे सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए। वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो ज़रूर लाइक कर दीजिएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 है हमारे सामने। क्या लिखा गया है देखिए। वी हैव टू शो दैट the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. So let's draw an equilateral triangle. Suppose triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is that triangle whose all sides are equal. So AB is equal to AC is equal to BC. Okay. Now triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle where AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Now, first of all, we are taking AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC, suppose. Therefore, in conclusion, AB is equal to अगर BC होगा, AB के साथ अगर BC होगा, ये लाइन और ये लाइन क्या है, इक्वल हमने पकड़ लिया है। AB is equal to BC। अगर ये इक्वल होगा तो इस साइड के ऑपोजिट में ये एंगल बनता है और इस साइड के ऑपोजिट में ये एंगल बनते हैं। तो ये दोनों एंगल भी क्या होंगे, इक्वल होंगे। दिस टू एंगल्स विल आल्सो बी इक्वल। देयरफॉर एंगल C is equal to angle A, because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, so it is equal. Again, AB is equal to AC. In this case, we can conclude AB. If AB is equal to AC, therefore, opposite side of AB is angle C. So angle C is equal to opposite side of AC is angle B. Angle B. AC is equal to angle C is equal to angle B. Reason is same reason. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, so it is number 1. We are taking it number 1 and it is number 2. Now from 1 and 2 we can write here, from 1 and 2. What can we write here? Angle A is equal to C is equal to B. It means angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. We can write angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. Again, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Since angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C, we can write in all cases angle A. B is equal to A, so can be written A. C is equal to A, so can be written A. Is equal to 180 degree. It means 3 angle A is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is equal to 180 degree divided by 3 is equal to 3 1 3, 3 6 18, 0 degree, 60 degree. Angle A is equal to 60 degree. Now angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. Therefore since angle A is equal to 60 degree, therefore angle B will also be 60 degree, angle C will also be 60 degree, because एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू एंगल बी एंगल सी, एंगल ए का वैल्यू जितना होगा बी का भी उतना होगा, सी का भी उतना, एकदम इजी है। आप अगर एक बार देख लेंगे, एक बार प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो आप जरूर कर सकेंगे। तो हो गया, यहाँ तक ही था हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर ये था इस चैप्टर का आखिरी क्वेश्चन। इसी के साथ होते हैं एक्सरसाइज 7.2 के सारे क्वेश्चंस का सॉल्व। तो आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो पे। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो ज़रूर लाइक कर दीजिएगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए।